Every day, hundreds of animals are being killed by poaching. Poaching is when animals are being illegally hunted and sold for profit.
At AFW.org, we found that the black rhino's population has gone down 97.6% since 1970. Lions are extinct in 7 African countries. Up to 35,000 elephants were killed last year. Fewer than 900 mountain gorillas are remaining, and approximately 2,000 Grevy's zebras are remaining.
More people need to be aware of poaching. To help stop poaching, more people need to buy less furs, leather, and ivory products to decrease the demands of the poached items, making poachers lose money.
What solution might help is to show people what is happening to the poor animals. That might encourage them to stop buying, again making the demand for poached products go down.
The top 10 animals that are being poached are rhinos for horns, elephants for tusks, leopards for fur, blue tuna for meat, tigers for fur,
Lions for bones, leatherback sea turtles for meat, pangolin, which is a scaly anteater for scales and meat, Chinese giant salamander for meat, and sharks for fins.
With your help, animal poaching can and will go down, so please help.